Hi, this is Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife, and I am here on this video to remind you that when inspiration strikes, answer. We can't always predict when inspiration will strike. And sometimes the best inspiration is when it comes by surprise, when you're in places you never expect to be, and when the scenery kind of asks you questions just by being itself. That's where some of my best writing has come from. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so grateful that you're here today. Take a moment to subscribe, like this video, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think when we're done. I oftentimes say, write wherever you are. And sometimes you're in the middle of the road, in the middle of nowhere. I have to confess, this couch is just calling for me to sit in it and write. But a couch on the edge of a field, somewhere between Bakersfield and Lamont, what kind of things could be in this couch? Do I really want to put my body down on this couch? It's one of those things I think I need a dare in order to do. So, somebody gonna dare me to sit on the couch and write? Well, I did it. I not only sat on the couch, I have my feet up on the couch. So far, so good. And while the sunset isn't technically beautiful tonight, it's still like nothing I've ever experienced before.
This place isn't far from my home, yet I've never been there before last night. My bet is there are places right near your home that are intriguing in their own unique way. Take a moment today and explore differently, look differently, and please, journal, write.